Hello friends, today we are going to discuss the concept called SEJ. Okay, so SEJ means what? So if you see here, you have SE here. Okay, so let me tell you, S means switch, E means expansion, J means joint. So this constitutes S, E and J. SEJ, switch, expansion, joint. Okay. So if you see this, so this arrangement, so what we have provided, see this entire arrangement is called SEJ. So this is one SEJ, this is one SEJ, right? So this is called SEJ, right? So now question is where we are providing this SEJ, okay? Where it is used at the ends of each LWR or CWR track, long welded rail track or continuous welded rail, right? So at their ends, so if we have, so you can see here, this is a LWR, right? This red portion from here to here, this portion is LWR, okay? So at ends for this rail, here one SEJ was provided and here one SEJ was provided. For this rail, here one SEJ was provided and here one SEJ was provided. So we provide this SEJ at ends of LWR, right? So it was used at end of each LWR or CWR track. Okay, right. Next question. Okay, we have seen what is SCG, where we are providing. Now, why you are providing this? Why it was used? So let us understand. Okay, why means it allows expansion and contraction of rail in breathing length portion of LWR. Okay, it allows expansion and contraction of rail in breathing length portion of LWR due to variation of temperature. So let us understand this clearly. So here you have seen some important terms like expansion, contraction, breathing length portion of LWR and temperature. So let us understand this clearly. So if you see this diagram, entire track, entire LWR was divided like this. So this is our entire LWR, right? So this portion is called breathing length and this portion is called non-breathing length or central portion and this portion is called breathing length. Okay, right. So now come to definition. Expansion and contraction of breathing length portion. So here this portion, expansion and contraction of this portion and expansion and contraction of this portion, for this purpose we are providing SEJ here. Okay, we are providing SEJ here, and for expansion of contraction of this portion we are providing SEJ here. For expansion and contraction of this breathing length portion we are providing SEJ, right? So I hope this definition was very much clear. It allows expansion and contraction of breathing length portion of LWR due to variation of temperature of the rail. Okay, right. So here it is clear. Now question is next. What will happen if you don't provide this? See, let us say this is a track which was not provided with SCJ. It is continuous like this. And this is a track which was provided SCJ here, SCJ here, SCJ here, and SCJ here. Okay. Now this is 1, this is 2. Now if you don't, let us say this is LWR and this is LWR. Okay. If you don't provide SCJ, what will happen? Now this rail want to expand. Expand means what? Its length will increase. So here rail want to expand. Expand means what? Its length will increase. Now where this increased length will go? Alright, there is no space available for it to go. Right? So what will happen if you don't provide any space? If you don't provide any space here and here, this expanded length will go out like this. This expanded length will go out like this, right? So wherever you have some weak portion, in that portion it will go like this, right? So I hope up to here it is clear, right? So if you don't provide SEJ, expansion or contraction will not be there, right? Due to this, wherever weak portion you find in the track, in that portion, the track may go horizontally like this, right? And as a result, okay, as a result, there may be chances of derailment. So this structure is called buckling, buckled track, buckling, right? So as a result, there is chances of derailment in this portion. So you have to provide SEJ. So because of SEJ, okay, this space was provided by using SEJ, right? So whenever this track want to expand, it will occupy this space, and when it want to contract, it will go back, right? So this work was done by what? SEJ. So up to here, it is clear, right? So overall, what have you seen? SEJ means switch expansion joint, switch expansion joint, right? And where you are providing? You are providing this at ends of LWR. And what is the purpose of this? It allows expansion and contraction of breathing length portion of LWR, not central portion, breathing length portion of LWR. And if this was not provided, if this SEJ was not provided, what will happen? So the track want to expand or contract, and if space was not there, then it will buckle. It will buckle like this, right? It will buckle like this. So these are the things we have covered regarding SEJ. In next portion, in next part, we'll see in this video I am saying that SEJ was provided to take care expansion and contraction of this breathing length portion only. Okay, SEJ was provided to take care expansion and contraction of this breathing length portion only. So what about this central portion? Is it going to expand or not? Right? If it want to expand, then where it will go? So that is one thing that I will answer in next video. Also, we should know breathing length means how much length. What should be the length of this breathing length portion? That you should know. You also should know. So what is the components of SEJ? SEJ, see, if we want to say a body is made up of head, hands, legs like that. Similar way, SEJ means SEJ was made up of what? Right? So all those things we'll see in the next video. Thank you friends. Thank you all. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much.